Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the best mobile forex strategy for 2024. Okay, so this is the strategy that is going to work for you guys this 2024. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be teaching you this strategy and I'm gonna be making sure that you guys understand it. Okay, so me, I'm gonna be making so many video about this strategy so that you guys will understand the core concept about this strategy. Okay, so if you don't want to miss out all those videos I'm gonna be making about this strategy, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of our time, let's get into the strategy. Okay, so guys, this strategy is called the AO divergence strategy. Okay, so this is the strategy that will give you the best sniper entry in the market. Okay, so but the advanced concept which I don't trade only the AO divergence. Add I trade it with price action. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade with awesome oscillator and how to trade awesome oscillator with price action. Okay, so trading awesome oscillator with price action will give you 95% accurate entries. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade using the AO divergence strategy. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me first remove the indicator from my chart. So this is my chart, candlestick chart. So let's add the AO indicator to our chart. So the AO means awesome oscillator. Okay, so to add the indicator to your chart, what you need to do is to click on this F icon right here. So then you click on main window here. So then you scroll down here and then you click on awesome oscillator. Okay, so the awesome oscillator, you don't set any level. The value up should be green, 4 pixel. The value down should be red. Okay, so then you click done. So then you are set to start trading this strategy. Okay, so guys, let me show you guys how we get divergence using this awesome oscillator divergence. This is how it works. Whenever the market is forming a low, a lower high, okay, and then continue forming a lower low. Okay, so guys, the awesome oscillator also is supposed to be forming a lower low, a low high, and then form a low low if truly the market is going to continue moving to the downside. So the awesome oscillator is supposed to form a low low also. So but in a condition where the awesome oscillator fails to form a low low, okay, so this will cause the market to reverse. Okay, so as you can see this example on our chart right now, so we see the market from a low low here. Awesome was it also from a low low here by breaking this previous low here. So it formed low high. Awesome was it also formed a lower high. So market formed a lower low here, but the awesome was little failed to form a lower low. Okay, so this means the market don't have enough momentum to go to the downside again, and then it is going to lead to a reversal of this market. Okay, so this is what we call divergence. Market is dropping but awesome oscillator is showing loss of momentum. So if this is formed, what we need to do, we need to enter our buy position. Okay, so we can enter our buy position immediately after this blue histogram here, so meaning we enter our sniper entry trade from this level here. So our take profit, we are going to use this resistance level here. So we see that our take profit got hit. Okay, so the trade which we entered from here 1.09050, so we'll close at 1.09670. Okay, more than over 60 pips was caught there. Okay, so and then our second mode of entry is to draw a demand area here, and then you wait for market to get back to the level, and then you enter your buy trade. So and then you see, so you make this previous resistance here your take profit, and then boom, you see that your take profit is hit. Okay, so guys, let's go search for more examples of the awesome oscillator divergence strategy. Okay, so guys, here is another example here. So this one, market is forming a higher high. So we see awesome oscillator form a higher high here also. Okay, so market formed a higher low, but awesome oscillator also formed a higher low. So market formed a higher high here also, but the awesome oscillator have failed to form a higher high here again. So the awesome oscillator is losing momentum here. Okay, so this is what the awesome oscillator is doing. But on our chart, this is what is happening right here. So this will cause for the market to reverse. Okay, so after this loss of momentum here, and the market went back to this resistance again, so you can decide to enter your sell trade at this resistance area here. Okay, and then you see what happened to the market just dropped. Okay, so that is how we use the awesome oscillator divergence. So let me show you guys more example. I told you guys I'm gonna teach you guys this strategy till you understand. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure you guys understand this strategy. Okay, so guys, here we see how the market formed a higher high here. Okay, so the awesome oscillator also formed a higher high here. The market formed a higher low, so awesome oscillator formed a higher low here also. So then the market went up here, formed a higher high. So but awesome oscillator failed to form a higher high here. Okay, so meaning it is losing momentum. So this is what is happening to awesome oscillator here. Okay, so you put your arrow there, then on your chart too you put your arrow here also. So you will see that market is losing momentum. So what you need to do after this red candle here, red histogram here, you have to enter your trade. Okay, or after this red histogram that was formed here, so you have to enter your trade at this candle here. Okay, and then you will place your take profit at this next support area here, and then your take profit is hit. Okay, so guys, let me show you guys more examples. Okay, so guys, here is another example. So guys, here market formed a lower low here. So awesome oscillator also formed a lower low here. Okay, so market formed a lower high here. Awesome oscillator also went up here. Okay, so here market formed a lower low here again. Okay, so this is the first lower low here, and then this is the second lower low here again. So awesome oscillator also, if truly the market is going to continue dropping, awesome oscillator is supposed to form a lower low here again, but the awesome oscillator failed to form a lower low. Okay, so the awesome oscillator formed a high low. Okay, so and if market forms lower low and then awesome oscillator forms a higher low, it means the market is going to reverse. Okay, so what you need to do, we have to enter our trade immediately here, or we have to draw a resistance here if the market is going to retrace to the level again. So we have to draw our support level here, and then wait for market to get back to it, and then we enter our trade. So take profit is at the nearest resistance level here. Okay, so at this price here, 1.07987 here, we are out of this trade. Okay, so we are out of this trade. Okay, so guys, that is how we trade using the awesome zero divergence strategy. So if you have any question, make sure drop it on the comment section. Okay, I'm gonna on my next video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to trade awesome oscillator with price action. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys on my next video. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash like button. Okay, so as to promote this video for others to see also. And also, if you want to join my telegram channel where I share 99% accurate forex signal, check on this video description. I'm going to drop a link there. Thanks.